In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add another profile on Google. So I'm currently on Google and this is my profile right here. To add a new one, go up, click profiles, then you want to click add profile. It'll bring you to a new window. Then you want to click in sign in or continue without an account. Continuing without an account is just a guest Google account, but I'm just going to sign in. Then you want to sign into your account. Once you're here, you can turn on sync and back up your stuff and use it on any device, but I'm just going to say no thanks. And then you can customize it, but I'm just going to skip this part. And there we go. We have now started a new profile account. You could also add another account. There we go. I logged in. And now you can switch from account to account. So I'm currently on my Roblox channel, but if I want to switch to my business account, I just click this. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, and goodbye.